How to make Scorpio man fall in love with Sagittarius woman. A Scorpio man and a Sagittarius woman are an intriguing mix. His depth and passion meet her fire and freedom. While they seem like opposites, their chemistry can be powerful when nurtured with care. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're a Sagittarius woman wondering how to make a Scorpio man fall in love with you, here are 10 essential tips to win his heart. 1. Show emotional honesty. Scorpio men value deep, heartfelt connections. Be sincere in your feelings. Your natural Sagittarius bluntness can work in your favor when guided by warmth. 2. Respect his need for privacy. He doesn't open up quickly. Give him space to share things in his own time without pressure. 3. Balance freedom with commitment. Your free-spirited nature is attractive, but he needs loyalty. Show that your independence doesn't mean emotional distance. 4. Engage in meaningful conversations. He's attracted to depth. Talk about life, values, and ideas, not just surface-level topics. 5. Be loyal and trustworthy. Scorpios are jealous by nature. Avoid giving reasons for doubt. Be open, consistent, and faithful. 6. Appreciate his passionate side. He loves deeply and intensely. Show that you can match his emotional energy and aren't afraid of intimacy. 7. Let him take the lead sometimes. Scorpios enjoy control in relationships. Let him guide certain moments, it helps him feel secure. 8. Stay curious about him, ask questions, dig deeper, and show genuine interest in his world. He wants to feel truly known. 9. Share your dreams. Sagittarius women love to dream big. Let him in on your vision. He'll respect your ambition and may even want to build with you. 10. Be patient. Scorpio love grows slowly but lasts. Don't rush, build trust, stay authentic, and let the connection unfold. Knowing how to make a Scorpio man fall in love with a Sagittarius woman is about blending emotional depth with adventurous charm. With patience, loyalty, and honest connection, this firewater match can turn into a lasting love. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.